Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a sync navigation bar in Notion. So let's get started. Open your Notion account or application. Open the page you want to create a navigation bar with. The navigation bar will help you to handle your Notion workspace more efficiently. To do so, click on the plus button and type "toggle" to activate the toggle or drop-down option. This toggle button will be named navigation bar. Below, click on the plus button, then type /link to page and select the pages you want to link. After you finish linking pages, highlight all of the text and hover the 6-dot button. Hover on the Turn Into option and find the sync block. After clicking on the sync block button, click on the Copy and Sync on the upper right side of the block. After copying, paste the navigation bar on the pages you included earlier, below the toggle list. If you have another page you want to include on your sync block, you may click on the plus sign and link another page. After which, drag the page inside the sync block. Your newly added page will now be visible to all pages that have the same navigation bar. In short, adding and removing information inside the sync block will be visible to all pages in real time. That's it for this video. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!